up, guys? I'm doing another 350Z vlog. Right now I got my car on the jack. I'm trying to jack my car up from the back because I need to take my this side skirt off. So in order to do that, I gotta take this rims off. I had an accident. My front bumper got damaged because the city was doing some road repairs, and so you can see it's damaged here, that sucks. And then it also got damaged here on the side, right here. It's just no good. Down here, and here too. Yeah, I'd probably say it's fixable, but I don't know. I don't want to do all that stuff. Too much work, sanding and all that stuff. So I went ahead and bought a brand new front bumper, because my car sits low to the ground. It sits about an inch off the ground. It's not even lowered, that's the thing. But I don't know, and that's what happened right there. These are my old rotors. I think they never been changed ever since the car was made, so I went ahead and bought a brand new set of rotors for the front and the back. I got the Wagner kind of brand, the best brand. I went ahead and also painted the rotors. These are the back ones. Yeah, I went ahead and painted them like the old ones. But I don't think I'm gonna put these new rotors in yet. I think I'll probably wait next year to put them on, because the old ones they're still good. I also got some brand new set of brake pads for the rotors too. And they're also the Wagner brand, which is not cheap. Not cheap. Yeah, these are weird looking brake pads. It's like they're different. They got these grooves on them. Came with brackets. Yeah, man, these are heavy. I painted these a while back, and they've been sitting out here in the garage for quite some time now. So I think I'm gonna finally remove this tape and see what it looks like. I have not removed this tape ever since I painted them. One down, 3 to go. There you guys have it. Finally reveal it. Perfectly painted. You can tell it's shiny. It came out pretty good. Well, there you guys have it. My brand new brake rotors. Finally done. New versus old.